Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to find and decode the area codes on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to some other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If your washer experiences issues during operation, a code will be saved and can be viewed by entering service mode. To enter service mode, the washer will need to be plugged in and in standby mode with no light showing on the control panel. Then press and release key 1, key 2, key 3, 3 times within 8 seconds of each other, with key 1 being temp, key 2 being rinse, and key 3 being options on our model of washer. If no error codes are found, the LEDs will blink twice. If there are no error codes found, you can simply press key 6 or the power button on our machine to exit service mode. If any error codes are found, they will be displayed in a binary format using various combinations of the top 4 lights and the lid lock light on the control panel. If more than one error codes exist, you can cycle through the error codes by pressing key 3, which is the options button on our model of washer. So now that we know how and where the error codes display, let's learn how to decode them. The lid lock light will be used to tell us if the error code is an F or E. When the lid lock light is on, that means that you are viewing the F portion of the error code. When the lid lock light is off, that means you are viewing the E portion of the error code. You'll notice that when an error code is being displayed, it will blink back and forth between two combinations of lights. All the error codes will be in a 4-character format that always starts with the F, followed by a digit, then E, followed by a digit, such as this example code, F8E1. Now, to understand the binary format for each of the error code portions, we will need to use these lights as markers for numbers. The done light represents a binary digit 1, the wash light represents a binary digit 2, soak will be 4, and the sense light will be 8. If 2 or more of these lights are on at the same time, you will simply add the binary values together. Here's an example. If the done light is on with no other lights, it would be considered a 1. If the wash light is on with no other lights, it would be considered a 2. If the soak, wash, and done light are on, you would add the values 4 plus 2 plus 1, which results in a 7. Now let's look at a real error code on our washer and decode it. The washer will show the lid lock light on with the sense light on at the same time. The lid lock light on means that it is an F code, and the sense light on means that it is a value of 8. For the E portion, the lid lock light is off and the done light is on, which calculates to E1. Here's a list of error codes for our model of washer. Please note that these error codes can vary depending on the model. Please reference the tech sheet or service information for your model of washer for specific information. See our video linked in the description below on where to find the tech sheet. With the first error code identified, we can look through any additional error codes that may be stored in the washer. To decode the second error, first press and release key 3, which is options on our washer, to view the second code. The next error code that we see, with the lid lock light on, with soak, wash, and done light also being on, would calculate to F7. For the E portion, the lid lock light is off and the done light is on. This calculates to E1. F7, E1 comes out to a tachometer missing or a wrong signal. Pressing key 3 to get to the final code, you can see the F portion calculates to F5 and E comes to E3, showing a lid lock issue. Once you've written down all your codes or fixed the issues related to the errors, you can erase the codes saved by the washer by pressing and holding key 3, which is the options button. Doing this will also automatically exit service mode. If you need to purchase a new part for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. If this video helped you decode the error codes on your washer, let us know down in the comments below. And if you need help figuring out how to run the test cycle on your washer, you can check out this video here on how to run the automatic test cycle. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.